Leo. Look at all those giant fields. I see tractors everywhere. Today we're going to learn where bread comes from. Let's start our farm adventure. The tractor is making the soil ready. It's so big and powerful.
Warm sunshine shining with its golden light.
Look at all those tiny seeds. There are thousands of them. Each seed can become wheat. That's amazing! The little wheat plants are growing. They were seeds yesterday. The sunshine helps them grow. Grow, little wheat, grow! The farmer is helping the wheat grow strong. The tractor is feeding the field. Healthy wheat makes healthy bread. The wheat is getting bigger already. The rain is watering the wheat. The field looks so happy. Plants need water to grow. Thank you, rain clouds.
Off to the mill on a
Wow!
tractor train.
The wheat it's like a giant golden ocean. That means it's ready to harvest. The farmers did a great job. Look at that huge combine. It's harvesting the wheat. The machine works so fast. It's like a giant wheat-eating robot. The wheat is going to the farm. Those trailers are full. Next, it becomes flour. We're getting closer to bread. The wheat is becoming flour. It's so soft and white. Bread starts with flour. Now we're ready to bake. That smells delicious. Fresh bread is my favorite. The bakers are working hard. The bread looks amazing. Everyone gets to enjoy the bread. We learned where it comes from a tiny seed to a loaf of bread. What an amazing journey! Goodbye, wheat farm. Thank you for teaching us. Now we know where bread comes from. See you on our next sunny farm adventure.